Sis, my skin is finally coming through.
You better stop! Going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling blow, ooh, she no skateboard P.
Hey y'all, it's Bree and welcome back to another video. For this week's video, I decided I wanted to film a little tutorial for you guys. I did post a poll on my Instagram asking whether you guys would rather see a natural soft makeup look or a glam makeup look. And surprisingly, a lot of you guys picked a natural look. So that is what we're gonna do today. I could really use some makeup because I've been studying all day and I am tired and I look like a freaking ghost. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. The very first thing that I do to achieve a natural dewy look, I use this L'Oreal Lume Shake and Glow Dew Mist, and it looks like this. I use this to kind of hydrate my skin, prime my skin before I do my makeup. Just gonna go ahead and spray that on my face. We're just gonna let that dry for a little. For my primer, I use this Glassy Touch and Soul. What is this called? Glassy Skin Balm. This is a nice little illuminating cream. So we're just gonna go ahead and grab not that much because this really makes your face look like amazing, girl. Apply it. This just helps prep my skin before I apply any foundation or concealer or whatever I decide to put on for that day. So the next step is to go in with foundation, and for foundation I use the L'Oreal Paris. Can I speak? No. I go in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I am in the shade 202. So I just kind of dot this all over my face. And a little bit goes a long way, honestly, but for today, I think I'm gonna add a little more and blend it with a beauty blender. Go ahead and blend it and blend this out. But I'm gonna look like a ghost for right now, but please ignore that. We're just blending this out everywhere. I'm gonna grab my mirror, make sure I blended this correctly. Also, make sure to blend it down to your neck. I love this foundation. After my foundation, what I like to do is I like to color correct. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Peach Corrector. I tend to get really bad under eye circles. So I just go ahead and apply some under my eyes. What I like to do is I just kind of blend that out with my fingers. What are ojeras? Like, what are they? Like, I don't know. I have no clue what they are. Now, you know, we look a little more awake. Before I move on, I set this with a little bit of powder. Just gonna grab the powder and I'll show you guys which one I use in a second when I bake. Guys, just a little bit, guys. This is not, you know, like baking right now. My favorite part of my makeup routine is concealer. Favorite concealer of all time is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Sand. This is the only concealer that I use. I like to just add like little triangles under my eyes. I don't use a lot of concealer because this really does the damn thing. Just a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and do my ugly eyebrows. Funny story about my eyebrows, I used to overpluck them in middle school. I ended up messing up my eyebrows and I haven't waxed them since like my sophomore year in high school. I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows on camera. My eyebrows are just so ugly and like I don't know what to do. Like, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. This is the eyebrow brush and it has a little thing here and top parts. For a more natural look, I kind of like to just add some color. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I will be right back. I just went in with the Dip Brow Pomade, went in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Buff. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And this is gonna give me amazing coverage, girl. Like, so I've already blended out my concealer and I still look like a ghost. You know, that's just red for me though. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. To set all of my base makeup, I like to go in with the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. The next step in my makeup routine is to contour, which is my favorite step. We're gonna go ahead and use the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, and it looks like this. I only use this color right here, and this is the color Terracotta. Just grab a little bit on my brush, and I just add some like this on my forehead area. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this right here. Like that. I know it looks a little crazy right now, guys, but we're gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna add a little more on my cheeks, and we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. Just kind of blending this out like this. When I'm doing the natural look, I don't bake. So after contouring my face and warming it up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and add some blush. And this is the brush that I used, and it's just this nice little, you know, pink color. So I like to go ahead and add blush. So what I do is I just add a little here, and I just like that. I then go in with the same brush that I was using for contour because I'm lazy. Go ahead and blend that in like that. I just dab it in. The next step in my routine is to go in with the Milk Makeup holographic stick, and it looks like this. I use it over my makeup. I kind of just dab it on here, my nose, my chin. Yeah, I just blend it in with my fingers like this. For highlighter, I go in with the Sugar Cosmetics mini highlighter in Champion. So I'm gonna grab a little fan brush. Just OD on that. Go ahead and add some on my cheeks right here. Add some on my nose. The last step in my makeup routine is to go in with eyeshadow. I'm just gonna do something simple for you guys. So I'm gonna be going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. This is how it looks. I've used this all up. I've used this all up. I use the Vasanti brush. It looks like this. I'm gonna go in with the color White Chocolate. I'm just gonna set my concealer. You know, I love this eyeshadow palette because it smells like chocolate. Alright, so now that I've set my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Salted Caramel, and it's this one right here. And I'm just gonna add this onto my eyelid for a little bit of color. So I just take a little on my brush, you know, add that onto my crease. So I'm just adding Salted Caramel all over my eyelids. The next thing that I do, which is the last thing for my eyes, is I go in with the color next to it, which is Marzipan, this color right here. And I grab a little, this is the Moda Pro shade brush. I kind of just add this area right here. I add it on my lid like this, and that's pretty much it for my eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this mascara, which I love. Mascara is my favorite beauty product. So after applying mascara, I like to go in with my highlight again, and this time I'm going to add highlight in the corners of my eyes right here. Kind of opens up my eyes. I like to go in with just a regular lip gloss. This is just a brown lip gloss. It is in the color Sheer Rose. So I'm just gonna. And then the very last thing that I do is I set my makeup with the same exact spray that I used before. This is again the L'Oreal Paris Shake and Glow Dew Mist. Damn. This is pretty much how my makeup looks